majority of people are caught up in the noise and have very little time to sit in silence. Being in silence is such a gift, and you can have that at any time because your natural place is in silence, is in stillness. And it's one of the greatest gifts. So whether you're in nature or whether you're even going through a very busy time or an emotional time, you can always come back to stillness, to silence, which aligns with your heart, which also slows down the mind. It's a really, really valuable tool that we have at our disposal at any time, because we can see things quite differently. We can see things differently on the mirror. We can see differently on when we look outside, when we connect with animals, because we're connected with that sound of silence.